Pradesh, Rahul Gandhi got new knowledge of politics on which he will work. Life in politics is such a thing where nobody knows when one will be faced with a new lesson. If Sikandar was defeated in front of all this, then what is the capability of a common man? But still there is no doubt of those who make their own strength felt and make life's challenges small. Making solid arrangements before life slaps you is a sign of a strong mind, and having a skill to play your ex in politics is a strength. It's talent. A politician knows very well how to turn a losing game into a win in politics. But still, one gets to see and live new lessons. Something similar has happened with Rahul Gandhi. In Madhya Pradesh, Rahul Gandhi is seen working hard to bring his good days very fast, and this is good for democracy. A strange things has happened with Rahul in Madhya Pradesh, on which he is now going to take action. In Madhya Pradesh, he also accepts that Congress has made mistakes, but Congress is not going to repeat those mistakes now. Rahul Gandhi seems determined to infuse life in the golden history of Congress. It so happened that he held a meeting in the state with district presidents, with MLAs, and in this meeting with MLAs, one MLA Abhay Mishra of Simeria said that we do not see any such leader in Madhya Pradesh on whose support we can win the elections. Now if you say such a things to a politician, he will not pat your back. Being an MLA and a worker, it is your responsibility to either become the face yourself who makes the party win, or develop such leadership in your party, or find such a face from among the people of Madhya Pradesh in the politics of Madhya Pradesh. Rahul Gandhi replied to the MLA's comment in a very composed, tight voice, and in his own tone. Rahul Gandhi said that you may not see them, but I do. I see 10 such leaders who not only have the ability to lead in the state politics, but also have the ability to form a government. Everyone will have to fight the elections unitarily. Rahul Gandhi said that many times earlier Congress used to send the race horse to the wedding procession and the wedding horse to the race. There is a race horse and there is a race horse, but after coming here we come to know that there is another horse, and that is the lame horse. The wedding horse will go to the wedding procession, and the race horse will go to the race, and the lame horse will go to home. Rahul Gandhi gave such a fighting reply to that MLAs. Now the MLAs is speechless, but one thing is that whom did Rahul Gandhi call the lame horse? Didn't he indirectly call this MLA a lame horse who doesn't know the art of running in politics, who doesn't see how to bring Congress forward in the state politics? Along with this, Rahul also lashed out at the MLAs that he is preparing 55 leaders with the help of the district president. Those leaders who don't step a seat from the party will be thrown out. Before leaving, Rahul told one more thing to the MLAs, and that is that some leaders give statements under the pressure of BJP. Some give statements to remove their frustration, and some give statements to help the Congress party. Now the statement that Rahul has given in the gathering of MLAs is that the one who understands should understand who is the lion and the fox, who is the donkey and who is the